right, you guys, I need to show you something today that I'm very pumped about, This is ElGato's Stream Deck mobile app, and I honestly don't know what it's been taking me so long to get this app. I've known about it for quite a while. I actually was about to go to Best Buy today to buy the actual Stream Deck itself. And then I started doing a little bit of research on the interwebs and learned that let's start with the app first because it's super inexpensive and I don't have to leave my house to do it. Major selling point. And it's amazing. So I want to show you how it works. And if you are using OBS, if you are live streaming and using OBS, you need this app right now. I'll put the link in the comments. Go buy it. The app is $24 for a year. So yes, that's basically like free. So let me show you how it works. So you guys, this is essentially a remote control for your entire OBS setup that you can customize, fully customize every single button on your own remote control. Yes, I put a picture up over here, over there, over wherever it is, because I can't do this backwards. This is my remote control. Okay, so these are the buttons that I put in so far. Again, this is ElGato's mobile Stream Deck app. I don't get paid by ElGato. If they wanted to pay me, that'd be great. Shoot me some money, perfect. But this is not a paid promotion whatsoever. So these are the buttons that I've made so far, and I stream fitness, and so I want to show you how I'm using it or how I plan to use it this week. And I'm just getting started with it, so there are a lot more functions that I still need to play with, but these are very basic functions. And all the buttons here I have programmed to either change a scene or to pull up a source or an image or whatever. And I've got some more ideas that I'm going to play with this week. So let me give you a quick preview, okay? So again, this is my screen. You're seeing it right over there, over there, over there, over there, over there. There. That's why I have this pointer. Okay, so watch this. I push the intro button. It's going to take me right to my intro scene. I don't have to be at my computer. I don't have to be here in my people's face like, hey guys, hold on, let me find this button, because nobody wants to see that. All right, I can be back here where I look much better. Okay, intro button, press it. Hi, everybody. Welcome to my class. Okay, so I have this button programmed to pull up this scene. I also have a button on here programmed so that it will pull up my screen. I have a screen set. Okay, here's my screen. All right, I'm still there, but when my people come to class, I have this set so that when I start streaming, I have 15 minutes where they can just get ready, rock out. They can check over here on the side, like what are the get ready things, what are the tech check things. They can check the reminders. I have that pulled up with a hotkey. And then when it is go time, okay, the timer counts down, 3, 2, 1, boom, I'm there ready to go. And then we get moving. So then I'm here, I'm welcoming them to class, telling them about class. And then I have a button programmed for workout scene. Okay, here's my workout scene. Now, I have dual cameras. Now, this is not my actual workout space, but I did set it up so you could see the effect. So I have my side camera, I have my front camera, and you can see my cute pink socks. Yes. So we work out, yes, rocking out, and then it's time to end. Class is done. So I have it programmed to have a thank you screen button because I have a thank you scene. Push that. And, oops, let me just put my screen away there. Okay, so let me just put all these things away because I'll tell you about them all each individually, all right? Okay, so I pushed all my buttons, yes. I would have that ready to go for a normal class. So thank you scene. I say, oh my gosh, you guys, we did it, we did it, we did it. Thank you for being here. And I remind them of all the things right here, yes. Now, normally, like I said, I'm right here in their face, like going through these things, and I'm trying to find the buttons on my computer because I do have hotkeys programmed in, which are great. But how awesome to be able to stand back, okay? And so I have my buttons programmed. I have my report card button programmed. Okay, here's a report card. I go through things. I tell them about how the sound was for the day. I tell them if there were any freezes or any tech glitches on the live stream so that what I do is when I come back to look at the replay, I can jump right to this spot in the video and give myself little reminders like, hey, Kate, this class sucked, or this class was amazing. You know, like I give myself that chance to come back and hear about the class because I forget. We talk about effort, attitude, any memorable moments. And then, of course, I remind them to go, you know, tell people in our Facebook group. Speaking of Facebook group, I programmed a button to to remind them to make sure that they're there, and if they're not there, to go search for this group on Facebook and join it, because it's open to anybody. And so once they're there in that group, then they can see all the fun interaction that we've got going on after class every day. People post their sweaty selfies. We talk about things like fruit bowls and cats and groceries and bloutfits and groutfits and what else, so many fun things. And then I can put that away, and then I can give them their sticker for the day, because in my class you come and you get a digital sticker. So this was our Friday sticker. Breathe. And then when it's time to leave, then I have my bye button. Bye, bye, bye. And I push it, and my screen comes up, and then I can be gone. I usually let the stream run for about 1 more minute or 2 so that it all just kind of syncs and nothing gets cut off. And then I finally end the stream, and we are done. So that is ElGato's Stream Deck app. Trying to go to this scene here. There we go. Here are the buttons that I've already programmed in that I showed you. My intro scene, my workout scene, my thank you scene. And then I put the buttons right underneath that are associated with each of those scenes. So this is my go button, like when I want my screen to go away, my buy button, my report card, my sticker, my Facebook group. And then I still have buttons here that I can still play with. And from what I've learned is that I can, these buttons are all singular functions. So they're all programmed just to do one thing. You know, like if I push the intro button, it only switches to a scene. That's all it does. But from what I keep reading is that I can program multi-function buttons, which is huge. For example, like I could program a button so that when I click my workout scene button, it would not only go to my workout scene, but it would turn up the volume. Because when we start class, I turn up the volume for people. And normally I'm right here like, okay guys, the volume is going up. It's going up. Hey, my voice is sounding softer. Hey, the volume is up all the way. Are you guys ready to work? And I do it manually. And so now what I can do is I can program this button to do it for me. And I could be standing back here on my mat, ready to go, button pushed, volume's up, and we're ready to work. So it literally will save, I mean, I know it sounds silly, but that saves like probably 30 seconds, 30 to 40 seconds. That's a huge amount of time in an intro of fitness class. What else? So, other ideas. So I want to program in sound effects. Like I want to program in an applause sound or like a cheering sound or, you know, some kind of sounds like when we do a really hard part, push the button and we get this like blast of, you know, applause in our ears because we just did something really hard. Or I want to program in gifts, you know, like confetti gifts or balloons or some kind of celebratory thing that, so like again, if we're doing a hard section or we just finished a section that, that just to celebrate, boom, fun things on the screen. So I think that's all I wanted to show you guys. I'll put the link in the description below. Like I said, I stream fitness, but this app is literally for anybody who's live streaming. So whatever you're live streaming, it just is so much more slick than having to come to your computer. And I think you guys know if you use OBS, like, okay, searching through your sources, like which source do I need to find the little eyeball? Okay, click the eyeball. You don't have to do that anymore. It's all right here. And you can, all these buttons, I made these little images myself, but you can, the ElGato website has so many pre-made icons for your buttons. So you can either use their pre-made icons or you can literally make your own like I did. These are just screenshots of an image that I made, so that it's so easy to find them. So easy to find them on your phone. So you guys, I would love to know. Like, tell me in the comments. Do you know about this app? Do you know about the Stream Deck? Do you have a Stream Deck? Do you use the app? A few other ones that I heard of in other Facebook groups that are also similar in functionality are Touch Portal and UpDeck. UpDeck is free. I don't know if Touch Portal is free or not, but people have said that these do the same things. I went with this one just because ElGato, I hear that name over and over in the streaming world, so it was kind of just had credibility, so I went with it. But if you use Touch Portal or if you use UpDeck, I would love to hear about those too. I would love to hear button ideas, especially if you're a fitness instructor using OBS. Like, how else could you use these buttons? What else could you program? Because literally, creativity is endless. Like you could program these to do anything within your class. Anyway, links below. All the other links are below if you want to find out other things that I do or any OBS tutorials. I have a few of those on my channel. I have some clips, workout clips if you want to come work out with me, all the things. So just go look below, and I hope this is helpful. Tell me if you download it. Tell me how you're using it. I love hearing ideas. I love brainstorming. I love sharing, especially if you are in the fitness industry. All right. Thanks for being here. I hope this was helpful. Bye.
It's our time, I've been waiting for a while.